Welcome back to the channel. Hey, so week number 2's word of the week is endurance. Now, that word endurance, it sounds long. What does that word mean? Have you heard it before? Have you used it before? Okay, so the definition for endurance is the ability to sustain, that means to continue, something for a long period of time. Okay, so the ability to work out or be active for a long period of time is the definition for endurance. So make sure you guys stay tuned for your Fast 5 workout and your activity of the day, and I'll see you soon. Welcome to Fast 5 week number 2. Now this workout today is going to be 4 exercises, 2 rounds, 30 seconds for each workout, 1 minute break in between. Okay, so today's workout is going to be number 1, skaters, number 2, lunges, number 3, scissor kicks, and number 4, shoulder taps. So make sure you stay tuned and I'll demonstrate those activities in just a moment. All right, so for today's Fast 5, 4 workouts, it's gonna be again, skaters is 1, 2 is lunges, 3 is scissor kicks, and 4 is going to be our shoulder taps. Okay, so workout number 1, exercise number 1, skaters. So what you're gonna do is you guys can start on your left side or you can start on your right side. It's completely up to you. And what you're gonna do is you are going to leap to the other side. So if I start on my left, I'm gonna leap to the right, and then my left foot is gonna go behind me like this. And then I'm gonna leap to the left, and then my right foot's gonna go behind. So it looks like this. Leap, behind, leap, behind, leap, behind, leap, behind. That's skaters. 2, lunges. Now lunges, I'll do it side so it's a little bit easier for you guys to see. You're gonna select one foot or one leg to go forward. I'm gonna start with my left foot going forward. My right knee is gonna go straight down, almost tapping the floor. I'm gonna come up, and then I'm gonna switch, okay? So this is if I let my right foot go forward. Right foot goes forward, left foot goes down, okay? So what you guys can do is you can go up, and then switch this way. Or if you wanted to do a twist, you can go 1 foot forward, turn your body, and then switch. It's completely up to you, whatever you feel comfortable with, okay? Third one, you're gonna go on your bottom. Scissor kicks, similar to our flutter kicks, except instead of going up and down, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go side to side, like a scissor is cutting, okay? Last but not least, our shoulder taps. You're gonna get into a push-up position. So your hands are going to be about shoulder width away. Get into that plank push-up plank position, and then you're going to get one arm, tap your shoulder, tap, and you're going to go back and forth. Okay. So those are the 4 exercises that we're going to do today. Again, 30 seconds each one. After the first round, 1 minute water break, and then we're going to repeat the 4 exercises again. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Again, skaters. Notice how I'm shifting my weight side to side. If you want to challenge yourself, go faster. Leap further. 1, notice how I'm using my arms to go side to side as if I'm really roller skating or ice skating. 5 seconds left. All right, next one up. We got the lunges. All right, here we go, lunges. Again, you almost want to touch the floor. Do not bang your knee down. You're gonna feel it. Keep going, don't give up. All right, let's get down. Let's go with those scissor kicks. Go. All right, last one, shoulder taps. Again, push your plank, tap, back and forth. Try to keep your back straight as much as possible. All right, 1 minute water break. Right now I'm drenched. I'm sweating like crazy, so if you guys are really pushing yourself, you're gonna be exhausted. Make sure you use that 1 minute water break. Right now you should be focusing on your breathing. Breathe in, and out. Breathe in, and out. All right, we got about 10 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go with skaters, side to side. I'm challenging you guys to work harder than you did the first round. If you guys want to get more fit, you gotta do these workouts all the way through as best as you can. Challenge yourself. Do one more than you did the last round. Let's say you did 20 of these, try going for 25. You did 10, go for 15. Push yourselves. All right, next one up. Lunges, let's go. I'm actually gonna do the rotation. Oh, I'm feeling it. Woo. All right, next one up. We got those scissor kicks. Side to side. Again, try to get more than you did last time. So only 30 seconds. Push yourselves. All right, last one. Let's go. Shoulder taps. Great job, you did it. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout. I hope you guys were working hard. You stayed the whole time. You tried your best. You challenged yourself. Keep up the good work. All right, don't forget, get some water, get a towel, and get ready for your activity of the day. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we're going to play a game called Charades. Now in the game of Charades, you have a category and you're going to pick a character, an object, a thing from that category that you're going to have to imitate or try to have somebody guess. So you're going to require having a partner or somebody to play along with you. The more the merrier, it's more fun. So make sure you guys stay tuned. So I'm going to imitate a character that I loved growing up. This individual was part of a group that used to protect the world. Can you guess who it is? I'm gonna go and show you. Ready? And go. I'll give you a couple more seconds to think about it. Now stop. All right, if you guessed the Green Ranger, you are correct. It's time for you to take a turn now. Check it out.